Dortech Maintenance is a Dortech Group company. We provide glazing maintenance services across the UK. Our most recent project saw our engineers carry out essential glazing maintenance work to the historic Thoresby Hall, which is a Grade 1 listed building in the heart of Nottinghamshire. Thoresby Hall today operates as a luxury hotel and spa. One of Nottinghamshire's most important houses, Thoresby's original features are still enjoyed by guests today. Our work undertaken on this property included the rectification of water ingress to a large triangular roof light situated above the hotel's restaurant. Members of our team used specialist equipment to gain access to the roof to inspect the glass and frame. We determined that the reason for the extent of leaks was as a result of worn out and weathered components, insufficient maintenance, and an infrequent cleaning regime. Our team quickly and professionally disassembled the old components and replaced them, as they had not been touched since their original installation over 20 years ago. On completion, our engineers conducted a final inspection of the work, following which all new components and original glazing were cleaned to a professional standard. For all your glazing maintenance requirements, contact Dortech Maintenance.